love you. I love you. Babe, I love you.
You can go. You can go.
I love you. I love you, babe. I know, baby, I love you so much. I know, baby, I love you so much. I love you.
The quiet declaration of love, repeated again and again. What it doesn't show yet is that the woman hearing it is seconds away from being arrested.
You didn't come in here and steal yesterday?
I don't know.
You don't know?
August 3rd, 2023, Spokane, Washington. A Safeway shoplifting call turns into an arrest built almost entirely on cameras and a warrant already on file. One detail stands out immediately through handcuffing records checks and formal warnings. One man keeps repeating 3 words to her: I love you. That detail matters less to the law than what happens next, because this arrest is built on identification, not on force.
Hey, you feel bad. I always call you guys.
No, it's okay.
She's still in there? Yeah, she's down by the lake right now.
Did she steal it? So she just steal it today?
Today, no. So what's your plan? What do you do? So I definitely want her on trespass.
Okay.
Sorry. And I have like the camera footage pulled up from yesterday too.
Okay.
And it's a massive cart. It's $800 plus.
Okay.
And then on the 23rd.
Did she just walk out with it? Did she scan items?
Yeah, no, she just walked out.
Okay.
Yesterday. With that, like that one? That
Yeah.
part? Yeah. She just walked out with it.
Okay.
And then on the 23rd, I called you guys because she didn't steal anything that day, but she was going to, and I scanned it all out. It was like 7:35. She left it over there. The officer who came in said, which I understand, like there's nothing really you guys can do about that. But that's what I'm saying. Like I know she's going to steal, so I absolutely want her trespass. I don't. Oh, that's her. That's her down aisle 4.
Okay.
She saw us and she was walking away.
Yeah. Wait, so just want her trespass? We'll get her identified and figure it out. Okay. Hey, ma'am. I need to talk to you for a second. So yesterday, sounds like you walked out with quite a bit of cart of groceries.
I did?
Yeah. Yeah.
No.
No?
No.
Okay. Well, right now, you're going to be detained until I figure it out.
Babe, I love you. I love you.
You got it?
At a minimum, you're getting trespassed from the store.
That's fine. That's fine.
And then if you're on video stealing, you better not lie to me. You understand? You better not lie to me.
I might be.
You might be lying to me.
We have the female detention.
You got warrants?
I might. I don't know.
You got ID on you?
I don't. Babe, I love you.
You can go. You can go.
I love you.
What's your
Can you give me my
What's your
phone?
name?
You have her phone?
No, he needs my phone.
You need your phone?
Yes.
Okay. You gotta deal with her for him.
Babe, I love you. I don't know when I'm gonna get out. Huh?
What's your name?
Kelsey. Kelsey. Last name is Zosel. Zosel.
Sorry, spell it again.
ZOSEL.
What's your middle initial?
A.
Date of birth?
5289. I love
If you have warrants, what are they for?
for theft.
Shocking. A15 and in.
I love you, babe, so much.
Last of Zebra,
I
Ocean,
love you.
Sam, Edward Lincoln. First of Kelsey, King, Edward Lincoln.
I love you.
Sam, Edward Young. Middle A, Adam, 5-2 of 89.
Huh? I know, baby, I love you so much. I love you.
Okay, let's take it around the corner. Like, enough.
Sorry.
Yeah.
What was that?
There's usually benches back here by the pharmacy. Yeah, that's also fine.
Sorry.
You're good. You have a chair we consider?
Yeah, there's one right in there.
And let's sit on there.
In or out.
Oh, you can check.
Yeah, you just stay in with us. If you want to pull the video up, that way we can confirm it. Either way, she's got a felony and misdemeanor warrants.
I do?
Yep, organized retail theft.
The deputy actually has two separate legal paths into this arrest, and only one of them needs to hold up.
Oh, look at that.
Washington law lets an officer arrest someone on an active warrant without needing fresh probable cause for anything else that day.
You're even wearing the same clothing.
Here, records confirm a felony warrant for organized retail theft under Washington's revised code, Section 9A 56-360. That warrant alone makes the arrest lawful, regardless of whatever today's Safeway footage does or doesn't prove.
And that's, like, so I don't know if there's anything you can do about it.
It's also worth noting the deputy never needed today's theft evidence to justify detaining her at all. The warrant already did that legal work on its own, the kind of reasoning courts have upheld in cases like Devenpeck versus Alford, where an arrest stands as long as probable cause exists for some offense, even one the officer never mentions in the moment.
That was the other night. And that's her fatty cart. That's the one from that night.
The store's loss prevention role deserves its own grade here too. Not just the deputy and the suspect. Management pulled the prior day's footage before calling it in, identified her by clothing, and framed the request correctly, asking for a trespass order rather than confronting her directly. That's the right way to hand a case to police. Build the record, then step back.
Okay.
Like I said, I don't know if that's whatever, but that's yesterday.
So, do you want to pursue charges for that? She's got a whole bunch of warrants. She's
Yeah.
got.
Yeah.
You do? Okay. So it is 8/2/2023. What do you have? What time she entered the store?
Oh, entered.
And then you're looking at potential charges from yesterday, as long as it sounds like the video lines up. I don't know the exact dollar amount, whether that's going to be a misdemeanor or felony. It sounds like you had a cart full of stuff. So the cutoff for the felony is $750.
The harder legal question is what to charge for yesterday's theft. And it comes down to one number, $750. Under Washington's revised code, Section 9A 5640, theft becomes a felony once stolen property exceeds that amount.
Sounds like what you had in that cart was pretty close, so we'll see. Either way, it's going to be a new charge, and then you're going to get booked on your warrants tonight at a minimum.
I'm gonna get another charge though?
Potentially, yeah. For yesterday. You might want to have a talk with your getaway driver and have him not park in a handicap spot.
Yeah, stage 3.
Like,
So I am going to jail then?
oh yeah, for the warrants at a minimum. I mean, we can't walk away from a felony organized retail theft warrant.
So she came out from like checking her getaway.
So that's it. 6:09 enters.
She's gonna grab her cart. She's looking over here the entire time.
Is her cart already full?
Yeah.
Oh, okay, so she's already shopped, so
Yeah.
she enters the store at some point, grabs the cart.
She's just kind of trying to make sure that no one over here.
The registers are on the other side. She's clearly looking around.
I can see you're sweating, I get it, but I don't have
She bypasses all the registers.
can't loosen those up. There's points that hurt. You just gotta try to keep your wrists like
And then she's up.
And she walks out.
That's gonna bind and hurt.
Gotcha. Can you at least, when we drive down, can we at least put them in the front?
No, we can't. They have to be in the back. We could potentially change you over to chain cuffs instead of the hinged ones. Those are a little more comfortable, but we'll see.
Okay, Kelsey. So I gotta read you this real quick, okay? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right at this time to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned. If you cannot afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before questioning if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of these rights that I've explained?
The Miranda warning in this footage is worth flagging for what it actually gets right. The deputy reads the full advisement, right to silence, right to counsel, before asking a single substantive question. Exactly what Miranda versus Arizona requires.
Okay, if you want to talk to me about what happened yesterday and what's going on.
I'm just going through it. Like, I'm broke. I don't have anything.
You're broke, don't have anything. Where do you live?
Off of Gum. Oh my God, 6th and Maple.
6th in Spokane?
Yeah.
Okay. 6th and Maple. Isn't that down by the grocery outlet?
Yeah.
Somewhere around there? Are you staying in a shelter, or just, is that where you stay?
No, that's where I live at, yeah.
You live there? Okay. And then, so why are you coming out to Cheney to steal?
We're out at the lake.
Which lake?
Silver.
Silver Lake? And then, well, I mean, you stole yesterday. You stole $800 worth of stuff, it looked like.
800.
A pretty full cart. That's what they're guesstimating. You see the cost of anything?
No way, $800? There's no way.
Well, there's a good chance it is. Right now, without a receipt, I'm going to charge you with theft third.
Yeah.
I'm not going to charge.
Both of them misdemeanor charges.
Yeah, it's going to be a misdemeanor because I can't substantiate the full felony. But you're on camera walking out without paying with a cart full of stuff.
Right.
Without a receipt or an itemized total, the deputy can't prove the cart crossed that line. So the new charge gets filed as third-degree theft, a misdemeanor under Section 9A 5650. That's a conservative, defensible call. Better to undercharge with confidence than overcharge on a guess.
I mean, do you refute that at all?
What do you mean?
I mean, are you disagreeing with that yesterday? What happened? Is that pretty much what happened? You came in, loaded up a cart, and left?
No.
That's not what happened yesterday.
I don't know.
You didn't come in here and steal yesterday?
I don't know.
You don't know? Okay. Alright.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, she's wearing close to it. Close to it. Well, actually. Alright.
I don't know what I'm supposed to say to you. I don't know how to talk to you.
Well, you're right here. I mean, you want to tell me why you stole yesterday? You're on camera. It's definitely you.
I'm just going through it. I don't have any money. I don't have anything. I'm hungry.
What happens right after is the more interesting legal moment. The suspect answers anyway. Asked why she took the merchandise, she says, "I don't have any money. I don't have anything. I'm hungry." A voluntary statement made minutes after that warning. Once rights are read and understood, statements like that are fair game for prosecutors. And this one goes straight to motive.
Okay. All right. Well, they want to pursue charges, so I'm going to refer that to the prosecutor for that, and you're going to get booked on your warrants tonight.
So, what other charges am I getting?
Theft third.
She's in custody.
Okay.
So you are under arrest at this time. Okay?
Hey, is there any way that I can get a drink of water somehow?
Nope. I think the jail will have to take care of that. Okay? Now, were your cuffs bothering you to the point where you need a chain? Chain
Yes,
cuffs
please.
instead? All right, stand up.
Grading time. The deputy earns a B+, an evidence-based detention, a warrant used correctly, and a Miranda warning delivered by the book. The one deduction is charging language, floating an unconfirmed dollar figure to the suspect before the total was ever verified, adds a small, avoidable risk to the record. The suspect earns a C, full cooperation, no resistance, but a voluntary admission made minutes after being told on the record that she didn't have to say anything at all. The store earns an A-, thorough documentation, a lawful civil remedy request, and no attempt to detain her physically before police arrived. So here's the real question this case raises if you've just been read your rights. Why answer at all? Takeaway 1. An active warrant can authorize an arrest all by itself, independent of whatever new conduct triggered the call. Takeaway 2. Prosecutors need a verified dollar amount to charge felony theft. A confident guess still gets filed as a misdemeanor. Takeaway 3. Miranda only protects you if you use it. Silence after the warning costs you nothing, but voluntary answers almost always do. Let us know if there's an interaction or legal topic you'd like us to break down in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more analysis of police and court interactions.